Okay, so we're coming at you from my camp spot here in Scaddan Wash in Quartzsite, Arizona. This is the location here. I am not actually parked where I'm going to be camped. I'm just kind of staking out this area. There is a big fire ring right in the middle here. I was thinking it would be good for a community fire ring, and it looks like plenty of space for multiple people to camp out in the area here. So I'm thinking this will be okay. Part of me thinks that maybe we need more space, but I just have no idea what to expect, how many of y'all are going to want to stop out here for a visit. This area, Scaddan Wash here, the big drawback is that rough, bumpy road on the way in. You just got to take it easy, go off in the shoulder there and go slow and be patient, and you will get down here eventually. But really, it's the only area that has this much open space. I could have gone down further and probably found a bigger area, but I think this is going to work for us. So again, you're welcome to stop by for a visit, camp out. It's up to you. This is primitive camping. There is no water out here, no toilets, no trash receptacles. You have to go into town for all of that. So it's pack it in, pack it out. But it is beautiful out here. We are out amongst these mountains here. Very nice. There's a decent amount of vegetation for the desert. Another beautiful mountain range off here, makes for very beautiful sunrises and sunsets. So again, you're welcome to come on out. Love to see you out here. Okay, I'm going to attach a few minutes of video on the drive out here to help anyone locate this area if you're interested. Hope that's helpful. Okay, we are getting off on exit 19 here in Quartzsite, Arizona. Going to be heading south. I believe this is Wriggles Road. There are a couple RV parks here on either side, and then this tees off up here at Coon Road, or South Dome Rock, I believe it's called, or East Dome Rock. We're going to be heading over to the Scaddan Wash BLM camping area. This is kind of my last choice because it's the toughest to get to, the roughest road, but it's the most open space that I know of around here. Everything is just packed here. The few areas that I've checked out prior to this, it's just really hard to find an open area. Okay, once we make that sharp right-hand turn there, we're now parallel with Interstate 10 East. And the camp host for Scaddan Wash is right here off to the right. You can see the sign hiding behind this bush. And this is where the road gets incredibly rough. I usually just drive in the shoulder. It's actually smoother than the broken up asphalt. So just take it real slow, go all the way to the end of this road. It's going to tee off and we'll take a right. Okay, this is where we make our right-hand turn. You can see this red and white sign here off to the left. And then when you make this turn, there's a sign right here on the right that says dead end. And then coming up here on the left-hand side, there is a brown wooden board. And I don't believe there's anything actually posted on it. And this is where the old RTR gathering was held for many years, over here on Scaddan Wash. So we're going to go down this road a little bit further. This is actually smoother than that broken up paved road that you have to go down. Okay, I think this is going to be it, guys. There is just this old piece of plywood here on this turnoff, turning right off the gravel road there. And this area is just big enough, I think. And there's nobody currently camped here, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this. I'm going to try to stake it out real quick until I get some other people out here. Just going to park right in the middle of the road. All right, and that brings us here to camp. I've already got one person out here. Tracy stopped by to join us, and a few others have contacted me, are going to make their way out. So come on out. We'll be here. It's a beautiful day. Weather's looking good for the rest of the week. See ya.